Anyone who has ever sat by a fire has experienced this. No matter where you squat, the thick smoke always drifts straight into your face. To avoid turning yourself into a piece of smoke-cured meat, you decide to invent a smokeless fuel. You put the burned-out firewood into a clay jar and seal it with a lid, using the lack of oxygen to extinguish it. Next time you need a fire, you can take it out and use it directly. Safe, fast, and smoke-free. Unfortunately, this kind of charcoal doesn't last long and burns out very quickly, but that's no challenge for a clever mind like yours. You build an earthen kiln with a wider base and a narrower top using yellow clay. An opening is left at the front for loading materials, and a smoke exhaust channel is reserved at the back. Next, you find dense hardwood such as fishwood and stack the logs vertically and tightly inside the kiln. Once it's full, you seal the kiln door with bricks and yellow clay, leaving only a small hole at the top as the ignition opening. Then you drop burning charcoal through the opening to ignite the wood. Because the air intake is limited, the wood enters a state of incomplete combustion, and thick white smoke pours out of the exhaust. This process lasts about 2.5 days. When the white smoke gradually thins, you reduce the ventilation. In the high-temperature, oxygen-poor environment, the wood begins to carbonize and the smoke slowly turns bluish-green. After 3 to 4 days, if the inside of the kiln glows red and the wood makes crisp cracking sounds, it means carbonization is complete. You must quickly seal all air holes, cutting off oxygen entirely, and let the kiln cool for 5 to 6 days. When you finally open the kiln again, the firewood has undergone a stunning transformation, turning jet black and producing a metallic, crisp sound when tapped. It produces no smoke, burns hotter, and lasts far longer. Roasting a sweet potato beside it is absolutely perfect. Congratulations! You've invented traditional earthen kiln charcoal making.